Hello, good day. Um, Today I have Avante A12 with a power issue. It's not powering on, and I've actually fixed it, but I want to show you guys the little steps I took in order to make it work. The first thing I did was I found out that there was a short circuit in the primary, and it was caused by this FET 20 and 50. Yes, 20 and 50. Yes, 20 and 50. And I removed them, and I had to do continuity test, and I had to check if there are other things that are bad. I noticed that this diode is gone, and I replaced it with a IN 4007 because it can take up to 500 volts. I replaced it, and I noticed that there is a Zener diode here that is powering this port switch modulator, and this Zener diode is I think it should be 12 volts Zener diode. Yes, I replaced it, and for easy accessibility I had to use a socket, IC socket here, because I had to replace this IR2153 as well. And after that I had to power it on, and it came back to life. 1 minute, I want to power it on so that you people can see. Right now I can't power it with directly, so I had to use the current limiter bulb and to power it. And let's put it on, and okay, I think you can see that the LED comes on, and let's check. Yeah, it's on. It's packed to life. So if you're having any issue with yours, you can actually follow my steps, and if it works for you, please kindly like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.